there's not really any rules. You can't really mess up. So it's not like a really strict dance. You have lots of kind of different moves and that you can put together in many different ways, and if you kind of lose your foot in, it's all right.
If you don't follow your partner so well, it's really easy to just recover, and you can just smile and
I found it great. I've absolutely loved it so far. We're on our second course, and yeah, everybody here is really welcoming, really patient, because we haven't got any kind of dancing experience really.
It's the highlight of my week. I think coming on a Wednesday, you can just sort of free your mind. Everyone's so friendly, and I've never felt so comfortable doing something with people that I've never known before. It's just really motivating and encouraging and just good fun. Well, for me, not a lot. I guess I did a little bit of ballet when I was like 7, but nothing really.
Yeah, and me, absolutely nothing. I haven't done any form of dancing at all. You don't need any experience leading up to it. You just turn up and you know, for Julie and Andy are great teachers, and yeah, it's